dark hunter. Old brick walls, new painted skies, rusting ribbons, steel and sun. History breathing in my lungs. Cables hanging over cobbled alleys, letters peeling on a rusted sign. 일단 책방에서 어린 왕자부터 사야지. LX Factory, this is my kind of feeling. Colors coming every wall. Diet book, turn the old into gold in the daylight. LX Factory, yeah, you got my mind right. This is my kind of vibe. Diet book, diet book, diet no. Fabric stories stitched into the rafters. Now it's coffee cups and crooked frames, ink on fingers, vinyl cracking tiny brands with giant names. Fried sardines, hot oil on the pavement, neon chalk on the market floor. Laughs spilling.
Hello, Walkingbubu. How are you guys doing? Where are you guys from?
California.
California. So hello to California. One day we're gonna meet.
This is my kind of feeling. Colors coming every wall, every ceiling. Turn the old into gold in the daylight. LX Factory, yeah, you got my mind right. This is my kind of vibe. Diet book, diet book. Diet book, diet book. Diet book, diet book. Had 1,000 maps inside my pocket, none of them led me here. Then a side street, then a side gate. Suddenly everything's clear. Old machines sleeping in the corners while the future dances by. Alcantara humming underfoot, and I finally know LX Factory. This is my kind of feeling. Colors coming every wall, every ceiling. Turn the old into gold in the daylight. LX Factory, yeah, you got my mind right. This is my kind of vibe. This is my kind of vibe. Walkingbubu, slow feet, fast heartbeat, leaving as the nightlights start to glow. LX Factory in my shoes, on my t-shirt, and in my soul when I go.